Well, yeah, and then the other thing is recirculation fan size. So here's the deal. I was talking to somebody about this other day. We don't hide it. Hell, I mean, nobody that does these, that builds like the Class A appliances, or the real manufacturers of powder coat ovens do not hide this. And we all use the same math, and we all use the same math for booths and the same math for ovens and all that, because we're all following NFPA 33 and NFPA 86 and all the national fire codes and all that fun stuff. But what we do is, on an oven, if you take the cubic feet, so let's say we have let's do this for, how do we make this easy? Okay, let's say a 10 by 10 by 10. You know what? Let's do a 10 by 10 by 20. So 10 foot wide, 10 foot tall, 20 foot long. That way one of the numbers is slightly different. So 10 times 10 is 100, times 20 is 2,000, right? So that's 2,000 cubic foot of inside space of that oven. Now, if you want a minimum of 4 turnovers per hour. So if we say the 2,000 times 4, that's an 8,000 CFM recirculation fan that you have to have on there to move enough heat. You don't want to get below 4 turnovers, because when you start to get below 4, it just, you're fighting. It's not going to run efficiently. You're fighting to get the parts up to temp. You're doing all that fun stuff. You also don't want to scream up to 10 turnovers a minute, whatever. You can get so much air velocity because it's powder, right? We put powder in a part, blow it off, powder's going off the part. So I don't want too much air in there. But yeah, you want to pay attention to that one as well when you're looking at, when you're trying to compare ovens, apples to apples, or whatever. Look at the circulation fan size. Don't get suckered into something that doesn't have enough air, because you're just going to pay for it in the long run, because your real cost is the cost to purchase plus operational cost. That's how much comes out of your pocket at the end of the day. So you want to make sure you take all that into account as you're trying to do